Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise 3 of geometry. We have completed exercise 1 and 2 on the Zoom session, and you have to do exercise 1 and 2 in the book itself. There was a question regarding how many rays are there in the following figure. Just a minute, let me show you. How many rays are there in the following figure? There was a doubt regarding that RS is a line segment. How can it be a ray? See children, it is a line segment also and it is a ray also. For ray, as I told you, it extends in one direction and it has one endpoint. So if S is that one endpoint and it is extending from R side, so RS is your line segment. And if we see R is also having this endpoint and S is also having endpoint, then it can be your line segment also. Similarly, if you see, if we consider R as the one endpoint and it is extending from T, then RT will also be your ray. Similarly, if we consider S as your one endpoint and it is extending from the T side, then ST will also be your ray. Okay, so this is the way you have to do it. You have to take one endpoint and the one side from where it is extending. These type of questions are a bit confusing because you'll see a line is also there. RT is also a line. Okay, and you can take it as a ray also, because we'll take T as an endpoint and R is the one from where it is extending. Okay, so you have to do it in this form. And drawing the line segment, you can do it in your notebook or in your rough notebook, because you have already done in class 3. Now our main focus is how to construct an angle. Okay, I have to adjust my phone so that you can see how to construct an angle. Before measuring the angles, I want that you should know how to construct an angle. I told you there are different types of angle: acute, obtuse, right and straight angle. Now 35 is your acute angle, 75 is also your acute angle. If you have seen the video, you might have got some idea how to construct an angle using the D. So somehow I managed to get one D for you, because I know from video you won't be able to understand much, but I'll explain you. It is very easy how to construct an angle using the protractor. Now we are constructing an angle of 35 degree using the protractor. First of all, draw a line. See, if you see, there are zeros. And yes, one more thing, you have to use a D which doesn't have a hole or a space over here. Okay, this type of D is required. Otherwise, your measurement will go wrong. It has 0 this side also and 0 this side also. If you want your vertex to be this side, okay, then we'll take our 0 counting from this side. If you want your vertex to be this side, then our 0 counting will start from this side. So normally we take this counting, 0 counting, for constructing our angle. The first thing you are going to do is draw a ray. You have to draw a ray. Using this D, you can draw a ray. You can draw it of any length, just a free hand. Okay, it can be of length. You can give it any name if you want. Let it be XY. जब तक आपके पास मेंशन नहीं है कि आपने कौन सा एंगल का नेम देना, यू कैन यूज एनी नेम, ओके, फॉर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द एंगल. Now after this you are going to place, see, this is the center part of the protractor. You are going to place it on this end point, that is which is going to be your vertex. आप इसके ऊपर बिल्कुल इसको straight रखोगे and the baseline should coincide with the baseline of this protractor. Okay, then you have to start from this 0 counting, because हमारा vertex यहाँ पे आ रहा है, so हम यहाँ की 0 counting से शुरू करेंगे. Wherever your arrow is there, from that counting, from 0 counting you are going to start. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30. Now 30 and 40 के बीच में you have got 10 divisions. Okay, the bigger one is your 35. Okay, this is 30 and this is your 35. Remember, 30 के बाद 35 आएगा, 30 से पहले 35 नहीं आएगा. This is a mistake which most of the students do. So you have to take 30. आपको सिर्फ ये याद रखना है, 35, 30 और 40 के बीच में आएगा. So mark a dot over there. Okay, then just remove the protector. आपने इसको यहाँ पे place करना है from here and it should be accurate. Okay, then draw a ray. Okay, then mark the angle, that is this is your 35 degree, this is XY, you can give it your Z. Okay, so now you can check the measurement also by placing the D over there. So it is your 35. Okay, थोड़ा सा आगे but 1 or 2 points का आपको चलेगा. So this is your 35 degree. Then write down, आपको नीचे लिखना है angle Z X Y is equal to 35 degree. Okay, now let's see the second question, that is 75 degree. Now similarly again you are going to draw a ray using this scale, किसी भी लेंथ का. I am giving it the name B and C. B and C. Now again place your protector over here. The center point of the protector should be above the dot. Now again our arrow is this side, so we are going to take the counting from this side. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and then 80. अब 75 आपका कहाँ आएगा? 70 and 80 के बीच में, that is 75. This one. Remove the protector and join the ray. Okay, so this is be A. So now you can measure it. This is exact your 75 degree. Okay, one obtuse if you want to see, just wait, I'll show one obtuse also. Now let's take 135. This is your obtuse angle. When you draw obtuse angle, you have to make it in the center because वो wide open होएगा, तो आपकी नोटबुक के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. So I am going to make the line in the center. N O, let it be N O. Then place the protector. Okay, after placing the protector, again our arrow is this side, so I will start from there only. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 90 right angle. Then 100, 110, 120, 130 and 140. So 130 and 140 के बीच में आएगा आपका 135. So mark it here. Using this protector only, join it. Now you can measure this. Okay, this is your 135. Okay, so this is the way you have to draw the angle. Now how to measure the angle, that is also very easy. I'll show you one. You have got this question in the book itself. This you will do in the book only. Okay, not in the notebook. So the first angle is this one. This is a vertex. Okay, so our center of the protector should be on the vertex. आप इसको ऐसे प्लेस करोगे जैसे आप अपने एंगल्स को मेजर करते हो. नाउ सी दिस, ये आपका कहाँ जा रहा है? बिल्कुल सेंटर में. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी योर 45. लेट्स सी द अनदर वन. दिस इज एग्जैक्ट योर 70 डिग्री. जस्ट सी हाउ आई हैव प्लेस्ड इट. ओके, जो ये आपका ये है पॉइंट, दिस विल कम हेयर, और जो बेस लाइन है ये आपका इस एरो से, दिस रे से बिल्कुल मैच होना चाहिए, इसके बिल्कुल ऊपर आना चाहिए. सो दिस इज योर एग्जैक्ट 70 डिग्री. रेस्ट टू यू डू इट योरसेल्फ. This second question, that is draw the following angles, you will do in the notebook. I'll give the question. Now identify the angles as acute, obtuse, straight or right using their measurement. So you have to see, first angle is 117. So this is your obtuse angle. 28, this is your acute angle क्योंकि 90 डिग्री से छोटा है. 150 greater than 90 degree, this is your obtuse. 90 degree, exact 90, that is your right angle. 180 degree, that is your straight angle. Question number 4, this is cut. This won't be there in your syllabus. So I hope you have learned how to construct an angle using the protector. Thank you. Have a nice day.